Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to talk about the part 2 of my turbinate reduction surgery. Okay. So on the last week of November, just in a notice of 10-second, doctor said that we, we have to go through a turbinate reduction surgery. And then I had a surgery that day. It was a day surgery and it was a local anesthesia. And the same day I can walk home, and he given me a saline water to actually do the irrigation of my nose and a steroidal spray. I don't have to take any painkiller or anything. I did not had pain at all. I had discomfort. My nose was blocked because in turbinate reduction surgery, what happens? It insert the needle and it transmit the microwave signals, and that what it does, it kills the tissue inside your turbinate, and with time that tissue, the dead tissue, is going to come out as a clog. And after that last week of November, I had 4 clogs. So he did surgery on one part of my nose, the right part, which was, so my nose is internally a bit crooked. It is shifted internally like this. So the right side turbinate was quite big. So he did surgery to the right part, and there were 4 clog came out. I don't have to take any painkiller. uh, but after 10 days, I started feeling much better. The ringing sensation or tinnitus in my right ear was completely, at least 80% gone. Now the tinnitus was there in my left side. So this side, I can hear the ringing. It like this side. So after 2 months, doctor asked me to come, and I visited in the last week of January. So he saw my left was good. My right nose is completely like a passage. It was completely empty. I just joked that I can see my brain, but not. It is quite free. My nose is free. And then on the last week of January, he said you need to do a small turbinate reduction, less amount, but to the your left side as well. So he did the left side. That day I didn't faint it. It was the time was shorter, and there was only 5 ting, ting, ting microwave signals he has sent. And I had so far, this today it is 12th of February, so almost 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks has passed. And in 2 weeks I had two blobs, clogs, which is like a clot, came out from my nose. Still I think one clot need to come out. And because in the nose there are 3 kind of turbinate structures are there, and the reduction has to be done everywhere. Now after more than 2 weeks, I have my ringing sensation in my head has been, especially the left side, has almost gone, and some tinnitus ringing still there, but it is not perceivable. Normally I don't feel it, and even when I'm going to sleep, the intensity of the that sensation is quite quite low and not perceivable. So it was a very good. My this side used to be swollen up, but now I can see my the bone in my nose. So it was very good experience of doing the turbinate surgery, and I required a 2 surgery of my nose. Still my nose internal septum is a bit crooked. Now since I do not have a tinnitus, probably I don't need a septoplasty, if because if my tinnitus has not gone, and doctor said he will do the septoplasty. Anyway, he has asked me to come after 6 months. So hopefully I will not have any other issue, and turbinate reduction surgery was a very good experience for me. It was not discomforting at all. I can go office immediately. Some nose block remain initially, but after 3-4 days it goes away. I hope you'll have got the information. Thank you. Bye bye.